The next SolidWorks features command that we are going to cover is the extruded cut feature. But before we do that, notice I do have a model on the screen. I'm going to select the extruded cut icon, and I immediately receive a message asking me to select a plane on which to create a sketch. And that's because the extruded cut feature requires a 2D sketch. So I'm going to go up to the screen and select this face here. I'm going to create a circle on that face and then dimension that circle to a size of 20 millimeters. Now I'm going to close out of the sketch and you will see the property manager open for extrude cut. Now, this property manager looks very similar to the extruded pose base property manager. However, we do have one additional end condition, throw all. I'm going to set this to throw all and close out of the cut extrude property manager. The nice thing about throw all is if I go to change the length or the width of this part, the hole will still continue to pass all the way through the part. So let's try that. I'm going to edit this sketch for the pose extrude one. I will change this 150 to 200. I will close out of the sketch. And notice, the hole still cuts all the way through the entire part. And again, that's because the through all option was selected for the end condition. Let's go back and edit the cut extrude. And notice, we do have other end conditions like we have seen with the extruded pose base feature. Blind, up to next, up to vertex, up to surface, mid-plane, along with a few others. We can also set a draft and a direction too, just like we could with the extruded pose base feature. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content.